What's up, guys? This is NF95, and I'm just gonna be opening lots of packs today. You can just watch. And yeah, so let's get going. First of all, tomorrow I'm going to be making another Legends prediction. And yeah, that'll be out at about lunchtime. So, I hope you enjoy that. Also, if you have any requests for videos, I would definitely be making them. So, just put your requests in the comment section, and I'll just make the video for you, unless it's something pointless. Yeah, Alston. He looks good. Tony Popovich. Yeah, so, also, I'm opening packs where I packed my first ever inform, which was Luciano Narsing, and yeah, so maybe that'll give me some luck today. Brennan, Irish, keeping him. I can't wait until St. Patrick's Day. Also, my trade pile is completely stuffed up in my other account. It is, like, terrible. I've bought, like, 11 Inform Longs, and they're just sitting there doing nothing, so I can't even open packs on that account.
Got 13 now.
So that sucks. Well, I'm gonna just tell you my goal for this year in FIFA 15. Oh, non-rare comes up, but it looks good. Paul Covey, center mid, 44 pace from Barca. That's a good pack. Yeah, so my goal this year is to pack any inform card that isn't a gold, like a bronze, a silver, or just, like, I don't know, team of the year, I'm man of the match, team of the season. That would just be amazing. Now, also, I'm going to be doing some huge pack openings coming up. The next one that I'm going to do that is a major one. I don't know why I did that. That'll be in, when the team of the year is out. I'm just going to open some packs. Yes, Horjov. I'm going to make that my active badge. I'll open one more pack for you guys. Silver. Last one. Here we go. Messina. Naldo. Too bad it is the gold one. Oh, that's okay. So, yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Still haven't gotten an inform yet. That's okay, it's only early still. And yeah, bye for now.